If you want to restart or reboot your POCO F7 Pro, then what you need to do is first we need to go to the power menu. We can do this by default by pressing the power button and volume up button. So if you press both of these buttons at the same time, you will open the power menu, and we need to move this white circle towards the reboot or restart option, and then when you lift your finger, you will perform the restart of the phone. Now there's also an option to use the power button only, so if you go to settings, scroll down to additional settings, and then over here go to gesture shortcuts, you should be able to find power off or reboot. So you can choose how you want to open the power menu. We can switch to press and hold the power button, and by default we can hold it for 3 seconds in order to open the power menu. But if you don't have digital assistant assigned to the power button, it will be half a second only. And digital assistant can be disabled here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!